Is accounting just one more business expense, or could it actually save you money? And what's the real difference between doing it yourself, hiring a tax pro once a year, or working with a monthly accounting firm? Hey, I'm Hunter, and in this video, we're going to break that down clearly. What you're really paying for, what each option actually does for your business, and how to know when it's time to upgrade. Stick around. This might change how you think about accounting entirely. And if you're already curious about which option fits your business best, skip the line entirely and check out our ideal accounting solution quiz. I'll drop the link down below. Most small business owners go one of three routes. 1, they try to handle the accounting themselves, usually with some software, a spreadsheet, and a lot of late nights. 2, they hire a tax preparer once a year, someone who files your taxes based on whatever you hand them. And 3, they work with a monthly accounting firm that helps manage the books, monitor cash flow, and plan taxes throughout the year. All three options can work, depending on your situation, but they come with 3 very different outcomes. Hey, I get it. It's easy to compare options just by price. Do it yourself is free. A tax pro might cost a few $100. Monthly accounting costs more. But the better question is, what do you actually get in return? If you're doing it yourself, sure, you'll save some money up front, but you're trading that for your own time. And if you're not trained in accounting, it's easy to make small mistakes that lead to expensive problems. A tax preparer is usually focused on one thing: filing your taxes. They're not tracking your finances throughout the year. They're not helping you make real-time decisions. You're handing them a shoebox and hoping for the best. Monthly accounting is different. It's proactive, not reactive. You're getting clean financials every month, guidance from someone who actually knows your business, and tax planning built right in. And if you want to get a rough idea what this actually costs each month, we've also linked our pricing calculator below. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're thinking about buying a $30,000 piece of equipment. If you're working with a monthly accountant, they'll help you decide when and how to make that purchase, because timing it right could mean thousands of dollars in tax savings. Now, if you're only seeing a tax pro once a year, that conversation never happens. You buy the thing, and in April, you find out you could have written off more if you'd done it differently. That's the difference. It's not about someone just doing your taxes. It's about having someone who actually helps you plan before you make the move. I'll be honest, if your business is small and you don't have much financial activity yet, do it yourself or annual might be fine for now. But as things grow, so do the risks. More transactions, more potential red flags, more time lost in QuickBooks, and more chances for tax mistakes. And once you're dealing with real payroll, vendor payments, equipment purchases, or even expansion plans, you need better visibility. That's when monthly accounting stops feeling like an expense and starts feeling like peace of mind. By the way, if you're still trying to figure out when that shift should happen, we put together a free accounting solution quiz that walks you through decision by decision, step by step, and that's linked below too. So, is small business accounting actually worth it? It depends on where you're at. But once your business starts to grow, it's not just worth it, it's necessary. If you're still figuring it out and not ready to outsource yet, that's okay. Just be honest with yourself about the risks, your time, and what it's actually costing you to go without the help. And when you're ready, know what to look for. Monthly financials, tax planning throughout the year, a real relationship with someone who actually understands your business, not someone who just files a return. If you want help figuring out which route is right for you, try our ideal accounting solution quiz. It's quick and it'll point you in the right direction. Or if you're ready to talk it through with a professional, you can schedule a free consultation using the link below. We also have a pricing calculator if you want to get a range of what this might cost for you. And if you found this helpful, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. We put out videos every week to help small business owners just like you get the clarity and peace of mind around their finances. Thanks for watching. And remember, good accounting doesn't just track your money, it helps you protect it.